My name is Annika.
Hi, I'm Prakash.
I'm Christina.
I'm Simon.
Dave.
It's Alfie.
Dave. Matthew.
Zana.
Heyman. John.
Fran. Sam.
My name's Tyson.
I've worked here for about 3.5 years.
I've been working here for 10 months.
Almost 3 years now.
Nearly 2.5 years now.
I started 12 months ago next week.
6 years, 6 months, 20 days, 2 hours and 53 minutes.
We make it really easy for homeowners to find tradespeople.
So the role of the product team is to really define the vision and strategy for the proposition, so the websites and the app.
Our role is really to uncover customer insights and improve the customer experience.
So our team is building and maintaining the server side of our web platform.
The role of the marketing team here at Rated People is to promote ourselves as the leading marketplace for homeowners, as well as helping tradespeople grow their business by providing them with the homeowners that are looking for tradespeople.
The whole focus of the Premier Accounts team is so we can offer some of the larger clients on our base a better service.
So the overall role of the team is to take our services for both the homeowners and the tradespeople and deliver them in a mobile app so people can use them on the go.
The main driving force behind our team is the interface that the users use.
I look after pretty much all the recruitment.
The number one aim of business intelligence is to provide data and insight for the company to help drive and make key decisions.
I like working with Rated People because, no, I don't know, hang on.
I like the freedom, the fact that it's still very much got that start-up feel to it, so there are no bad ideas. I feel like I can put anything out there and it at least will be listened to.
The company's very energetic, everyone's very friendly, but also everybody's very keen to do a good job.
My favourite thing about working for Rated People is definitely the culture. I love the people that we work with, everyone gets on really well and it's a real laid-back environment. We've got a really good social circle.
So Perkbox is a benefit that we get here at Rated People. It gives us various discounts to hotels, restaurants, holidays, supermarkets and cinemas. I guess it's a really great benefit for everyone because we love a good discount.
So I like the people. Everyone's really friendly here.
I think it's a very collaborative place to work.
I've never been in a company that gives you the level of freedom that we get over here. We're able to really help people without being so much red tape regarding what we can do.
I have the opportunity to really take responsibility for the homeowner experience and drive things through.
Being new, the company seems like it's at a really interesting inflection point at the moment.
I really like the office. It's modern, it's given me a whole new appreciation for the colour green.
I used to work in the basement, so it's nice to get some vitamin D.
Fantastic location in London's fashionable Blackfriars.
Great views, which is excellent.
Great view.
Great views.
I love the view.
It has a really nice communal area where everyone can sit down and eat lunch together.
If you're into culture, Tamon Gallery is literally a couple of 100 yards away.
A lot of good places to eat, to drink.
There's green spaces nearby, you can go for a walk on the river.
It's great collaboration here. We're very much a family.
I have many work best friends.
Yeah, John Williams is my work best friend.
My work best friend has to be Prax in the finance team. We've got like a bromance going on and the fire is deep in our hearts.
I wouldn't want anyone to feel left out, so I'm going to have to say that the whole of the front end team, we're a great team. Let's say we all have lunch together every day, spend a lot of time with all the front end guys, so they'd have to all be my best friends.